Just when we thought we could finally relax after all the hype around the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, the rumor mill kicks back into overdrive, and this time, it's all about the DJI Osmo Action 6. Yep, you heard that right. We're still digesting the 5 Pro, and already leaks and regulatory filings are hinting at its successor. So, what's going on? Is it too soon for a new model? What's DJI planning? And more importantly, should we start saving up or just stay curious? Let's break it down. So, what's the official word from DJI? Nothing yet. But in the tech world, especially with regulatory bodies like the FCC and SGS, filings often give us a sneak peek at upcoming products. And guess what? They've just dropped some hints about the DJI Osmo Action 6. While still speculative, these filings are a strong signal that a product launch might not be far off. The most intriguing part? The absence of a Pro tag. DJI's previous models, like the Action 5 Pro, had the Pro label. So this new naming choice could indicate either a more straightforward model or a two-tier strategy with a Pro version coming later. It makes you wonder, are they keeping it simple or preparing for something bigger down the road? DJI doesn't usually let certifications sit around for long, so if these filings are accurate, we could see the Osmo Action 6 launch by early 2025. Pretty quick, considering the Action 5 Pro is still new. But why the rush? Is DJI reacting to market trends or just updating products more frequently? It's unclear, but they're moving fast. The filings reveal two battery options, a 1770 mAh and a 1950 mAh. The 1950 mAh is the same as the Action 5 Pro's, suggesting a possible Pro version with similar battery life. The 1770 mAh option hints at a budget-friendly compact version, appealing to casual users seeking a solid camera at a more accessible price. The filings mention Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, which are standard now for fast, stable wireless transfers and seamless integration with DJI's apps. Solid, but nothing groundbreaking. Now for what really matters, low-light performance. Many action cameras struggle here, and the Action 5 Pro was no exception. If DJI can improve the sensor or image processing for better low-light performance, it could be a game-changer. Clearer nighttime shots and less noise during indoor action would be huge for creators. Next up, resolution and frame rates. While the Action 5 Pro offered great image quality, competition, especially from GoPro, is pushing the limits. If the Action 6 can handle 4K at higher frame rates or even 5.3K with better bit rates, it'll be a big draw for creators. Stabilization is also crucial. With GoPro's Hypersmooth and Insta360's flow state raising the bar, DJI will need to improve rocksteady, perhaps with a smarter version that anticipates movement better. For practicality, a lighter, more durable design with improved waterproofing and lens protection would enhance the user experience. Small tweaks like these could make a huge difference. The big question: price. DJI usually positions its cameras competitively, and with the Action 5 Pro priced around $400, the standard Action 6 could fall between $300 to $350. If there's a Pro version, it might push the price to $450 or $500. However, DJI needs to avoid overpricing, or buyers might turn to discounted Action 5 Pro models or rivals like GoPro and Insta360. With fierce competition, DJI's advantage has been offering premium features at a lower price. To stay ahead, they'll need something unique. Maybe AI-assisted shooting, a battery breakthrough, or another innovative feature to keep things fresh. So, where does this leave us? The DJI Osmo Action 6 is coming, and the leaks suggest it could be a solid upgrade if DJI tackles areas like low-light performance, resolution, and stabilization. But is this a true generational leap or just a minor update? If you've got the Action 5 Pro, is it worth upgrading? DJI's moving fast, but are they genuinely innovating or just keeping up? What features do you want in the Action 6? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates.